Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how to find out who is viewing your profile in Facebook application. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments. So let us get down to our topic with you friends. Open the Facebook app on your device. Then go to your account. And this is where you'll need to switch to a professional account first, so that you can later see more detailed statistics of your account. To do this, please open the three dots. And then click on the option to switch to professional account. Once you have switched to it, then go back to your account and click on Professional Options. Here you will be able to see various statistics related to your account. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't provide an option where you can see specific accounts, names, or photos of people who are viewing your account. Here, you will only be able to see statistics. You can click for more detailed views of statistics. You can see, for example, who is visiting your account, who was watching, were they subscribers or not. You can choose different number of days. You can also see if it was men, women, and so on. So you can pore over to look at those kind of statistics. I'm sure you will find a lot of interesting information for yourself and find out who usually views your account. Dear friends, I really hope that the video was useful to you. Please don't forget to put likes, subscribe to the channel, and write comments. Take care of yourself, friends.